Hello everyone. So today we'll learn a cubic trick in very simple and easy way. So let's start. For cube of 1 is always 1. So we'll write 1 1 1 here. Okay. Now we will write table of 6 up to 9. Okay. So let's write 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54. Okay. Now what we'll do? We will cross and add the numbers. Okay. So how we'll cross and add? Let me show you. Let's start. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 12 plus 7 is 19. 18 plus 19 is 37. 24 plus 37 is 61. 61 plus 30, it's 91. 91 plus 36 is 127. This is 169. 48 plus 169, 217. Now 54 plus 217 is 271. Okay. Now again we'll add by cross. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 19 plus 8 is 27. Now 37 plus 27 is 64. 61 plus 64 is 125. Now 91 plus 125 is 216. Now 127 plus 216 is 343. Now 169 plus 343 is 512. Now 217 plus 512 is 729. Lastly 271 plus 729 is 1000. Okay. So this is our cubic trick. This is how we can learn a cubic very easily and we can solve questions very quickly. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Please do share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.